Ever wish you could hide or show that notch when using certain apps on your Xiaomi phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to customize the notch display in individual apps on your Xiaomi device, so you can get the perfect look for any app you use. So no more delay, let's get into it. Open Settings app, scroll down, find Notification and Control Center, then tap on the status bar. Now press Notch in individual apps. Select the app you want to modify. Here, you'll generally have two options. Auto, the system will automatically decide how to handle the notch for the app. Always Show Notch, this option forces the app to display the notch. I hope this tutorial was useful in customizing notch in individual apps on your Xiaomi phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or run into any issue, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.